Hi class, Ms Harriete here. Welcome to your science class today. Yes, this is a science and an arts and craft class. I'm going to be showing you how to make red Play-Doh with just a few simple ingredients that you have in the house. So I'll move my camera so you can see the ingredients. My camera on the table. Okay, so here we go. So to make this, all you're going to need is in a bowl. So you can choose your favourite food colouring. Now I'm going to use red. Okay, so you can choose your favourite. Maybe you have yellow or blue. I'm going to use red today. So in a bowl, you're going to put half a cup of flour. Yes, first of all, half a cup of flour. And then you're going to need just a quarter of salt. Quarter of a cup of salt. Okay. Make sure you get it all in there. And then you're going to need a teaspoon. I'm using a tablespoon, so about half of a tablespoon of oil. Okay. And about a quarter of a cup of water. Okay, and then give it a mix. And actually now I'm going to add my food colouring. So add your food colouring. This should make a marble effect. So add a few drops and then let's see what happens. To keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing, and it should start to make like a lump. Let's add a couple more drops and then we can start using our hands. It's all starting to combine together. I don't think we need any more water. Sometimes you might need a little bit more water or something like that, but let's see how we get on. So put it all together in our hands and start working with it. Oh yes, I think actually we need a little bit more water this time. So add a little bit more. You see that lovely colour now? The colour's really coming out. So let's put our ball back in. And then let's give it a little mix. And that's it. And if you have a rolling pin, you can roll it all out. I'm just going to keep mixing for now. See what it looks like. Sometimes you might add a little bit too much of something or a little bit less of something, so maybe you need a bit more flour or a bit more water. Just kind of see and measure the consistency and see what's missing. I think this is okay. This might be missing a little bit of flour now. That's the trouble. You add a bit of water, then you miss the flour, but no, I think it's okay. Then we can start working this into our hands and we can start playing with it. This is how you make homemade Play-Doh. If you don't have Play-Doh, then that's okay, no problem. You can always make it. Yes. So keep working it through your hands. And it will dry out a little bit, don't worry as well. And if you store it in a glass container, a glass jar, for example, it will last for longer. It will last for a number of weeks. So that's a good idea if you want to keep it. So there we go. I know it was sticking to my hand at first, but it's not so much anymore, so that's good. So there we have it. Here is Ms Harriette's Play-Doh made from just a few ingredients that you have in the house. And now you can, for example, I'm going to show you how to make a shape with it. First of all, let's try and make a circle. So let's put our hands together like this. We can make a circle. What about if we try and make, there you go, there's a kind of circle shape, isn't it? 3D circle. Sorry, I'm putting it in the wrong. Okay, and then maybe we could try and do a square. Should we try and do a square now? So you can do lots of things with Play-Doh. It's really fun. Now you might stain your hands, so you have to be careful. And here is a type of square. It's not very good, is it, actually? That's better. There you go. There is a square. So you can make shapes with it, you can play with it, and it's just really fun and it feels really gooey as well. So good luck at making your Play-Doh. It smells lovely. And if you have lemon, you can always add a little bit of lemon to it as well. That's quite good for your hands and for the antibacterial properties that lemon has. So good luck with your Play-Doh and let me know if you make it. Bye for now.